colors of courage, saffron and green. In every heart our freedom is seen. Vande Mataram we sing today, for the land that shows the way. Unity, strength and endless pride, India shines with hope worldwide. Voices rising, young and free, carrying dreams of destiny. 78 years, our spirit strong. Together we march, together belong. Oh India, my guiding star, your light has brought us this far. With peace and love we'll always say, Jai Hind forever, Independence Day. Vande Mataram, let the echoes fly, and our tricolor across the sky. Hand in hand we'll always stay, proud to be Indian, come what may. Vande Mataram, let the echoes fly, and our tricolor